Vanakkam, teachers. The destiny of nation is shaped in the classroom. This is the report, Kothari Commission. To have the good nation, a good teacher should be there. What are the qualities of a best and good teacher? I am Dr. M. Krishnasamy. Quality of teachers, quality of nation depends on the quality of citizens. The quality of its citizen depends on the quality of their education. The quality of their education depends more than upon any other single factor upon the quality of the teacher. What are the first quality? It's very important. Knowledge of your subjects with the practical applications. Knowledge is like a garden. If it is not cultivated, it cannot be harvested. Facilitate learning. Relate the material to the student's lifestyle. The more meaningful materials to a student, the quicker and easier it will be learned. Be a good learner to teach others to learn. In Tamil we can say, எரிகின்ற விளக்கை இன்னொரு விளக்கு ஏற்ற முடியும். Be a good teacher, we have to be a good learner. Communication. The second core quality of a good teacher is the ability to communicate their knowledge and expertise to their students. There is a saying, give me a fish and I ate for a day only. Now teach me to fish and I eat for a lifetime. ஒரு மீன் பிடித்து கொடுத்தால் அன்று ஒரு நாள் சாப்பிடுவேன். மீன் பிடிக்க கற்றுக் கொடுத்தால் என் வாழ்நாள் முழுவதும் சாப்பிடுவேன் என்ற ஒரு தத்துவம் உள்ளது. Create interest. A good teacher builds the knowledge of subjects with their clarity and understanding. Best teachers makes the class interesting and relevant to the students. Good teacher work hard to make their material relevant. Interest is the mother of attention. Aspects. Good teacher have a deep-seated concern and respect for the students in classroom. Treat everyone with equal respect. Avoid partiality and favoritism. Learn classroom management is very important tool in our teaching. Why? It's effective discipline. Classroom management is effective discipline. It's being prepared for class. It's motivating your students. It's providing a safe and comfortable learning environment. It's a building your students' self-esteem. It's being creative and imaginative in daily lessons. Why is classroom management important? Satisfaction and enjoyment in teaching are dependent upon the learning students to cooperate. Classroom management issues are of highest concern for beginning teachers. Techniques for better classroom. Focus attention on entire class. Silence can be effective. Direct your instruction so that students know what is going to happen. Move around the room so students have to pay attention more readily. Overplan your lessons to ensure you fill the period with learning activities. Come to class prepared. So, confidence in your teaching. Learn students' names as quickly as possible. Participatory teaching learning method. Participation is very important. We have to become a student. How to motivate students to participate in classroom activities? By having a group discussion. In the group discussion, what are the factors? Group behavior, communications, focus and coherence, presentation and content. These factors is learned. Solving is study. That is, by conduct the quiz, we can identify the students' abilities, talents, performance and making a college making and having a debate. We can study the students' talent and having the art made and having the presentation. We have to include ICT in teaching learning process. So nowadays, lot of techniques we are having. So this technology can be utilized. Make your lesson plan to attain the SMART goals. So the lesson plan should contain introduction, student learning activity, assessment, conclusion, activity extension, and teacher evaluation. So what is SMART? SMART is nothing but specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, timely. And written work and written paperwork correction should be done by the teachers regularly. A tree is known by its fruits. Results, attention, transformation, employment skills, campus culture, value-based, sensitive human beings who can respond to the human needs and build up a better world. A teacher leads through example. Conclusion. The mistake of a doctor lies buried in grave. The mistake of an engineer lies cremated in bricks. The mistake of the lawyer lies in lies. But the mistake of a teacher is reflected on the nation. As a potter molds clay into a pot, so as a teacher molds life of a student. Knowledge is the best erasure in the world of disharmony, distress, despair, and endless physical deficiency of man. The medico teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates. Thank you, be a good teacher. If you like this video, subscribe this video. Thank you, teachers.